Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace headlight bulbs guys. Low beams, high beam bulbs. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that in today's video guys. Also, we'll share how we can save you quite a bit of money if you have a Hyundai Sonata, so make sure to stay until the end. Now, this is the car right here. We need to replace, the hood support struts as well, because as you can see we're using that support, but video is coming for that problem and we'll be fixing it in the near future as well. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also guys, we'll have a video how to install LED bulbs on Hyundai Sonata. It makes day and night difference guys. So now looking at your Hyundai Sonata, this is the low beam bulb, this is a high beam right here, turn signal is right here. The turn signal you replace it in a different way, so we have a special video how to replace front turn signal light bulb on Hyundai Sonata. First, let's replace the high beam. I want to show you guys how to do it on this one because it's a little bit easier. You grab that thing, you turn it about maybe 30-40 degrees counterclockwise. You get the cap now. Right here guys, you need to go ahead and grab that connector and pull it out. Like that. You can see it come loose. Now let me position the camera even better. I need to work on it so we can show with a great detail. Right here now guys, that metal thing you need to push in and come to the left a little bit. I'm trying my best to actually do that. And then you open it. You can see just like that. Perfect. Once you open it guys, we're going to go ahead, grab that bulb. You need to see how it's positioned. And go ahead and grab it. Now that bulb guys, what's important about it? Never ever touch the bulbs on the front with your fingers, the new bulb when you install, because the oil from your fingers will be stuck on the bulb and the new bulb will burn really fast guys. Instead of maybe lasting you 3, 4, 5 years, it may burn in less than a few months. So you need to be guys careful when you do that. So how you install it now? Let's explain. So I'm going to go ahead, that hose is in the way again, grab the new bulb, and I'll show you what you need to do next. You need to grab it. It goes only one certain way. That flat spot right here goes to the bottom. It's even on the bottom. Keep it in, get the metal piece in place and lock it. Perfect. Now don't forget to install your wires. And once you install them guys, you get the cap and you install it. Check it out now. It comes only one certain way. Perfect. Now what about the other one? The other one, almost impossible to show you guys, but it's pretty simple. You grab that thing, you turn it. Now on the inside you have another connector, but that's black. Grab this one, disconnect it. Then you have the same metal clip that you're going to push down, come to the left, and you grab the bulb and you pull it out. And putting this one practically is in exactly reverse order we took the other one apart. Now the flat part again is exactly on the bottom guys. That bulb, when you install it, that flat piece, it needs to be facing like that. Keep it in place, otherwise if it doesn't get in the canal there, it's not going to work out. So you get the idea guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.